how to buy KEKIUS Maximus on Bybit Wallet. Now, to be able to do that, or before that, make sure this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now let's go and buy it on Bybit. Now, first of all, open this token on CoinGisco as you can see. And now go on contract and copy the token address to be able to add it to Bybit and buy it from there. Now remember, this token is under Ethereum network. Now go and open your Bybit wallet as you can see. And now here select the Ethereum network as you can see and click on these three lines and click on plus. Now make sure to select the Ethereum from here and now place the token address, and as you can see, click on confirm. Now as you can see, just go back and you will be able to find your token here. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it, and now as you can see, click on swap, and it will be redirected to another page to be able to buy this token. Now as you can see, this is our page to buy this token. As you can see, click on switch here. Now select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you want USDT from here, select the network that you want and now select the token. If you like the BNB chain, you can select it from here. And now under it, just select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDX, BTX. Now I prefer to type here for search to USDT as you can see. And make sure you have the BNB chain from here. Now just click on it. Now so that type here how much you want to buy as you can see. And make sure to have enough USDT on your wallet on Bybit. As you can see, this is how much you will receive of this token KEKIUS. Now click on connect wallet after that. And now you can now connect, because I have this Bybit wallet from here. Just click on connect, confirm, and now as you can see, the wallet, it will connect it to Bybit Web3. Now as you can see, just click on swap. So because I don't have enough USDT, I can't click it. Just for you, just click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the KEKIUS Maximus token on Bybit Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.